From Tamanna and Vijay's breakup to Kiara and Siddharth's baby announcement, Bollywood has been hit with a shocking wave this week. So, let's quickly dive into what's cooking in Bollywood right now. Tamanna Bhatia and Vijay Varma have reportedly broken up, and the reason behind it is shocking. The couple met during the shoot of Lust Stories 2 and had been inseparable ever since. They were often spotted together at Bollywood parties and events, and they had been in a relationship for almost 2 years before calling it quits just last week. Reports suggest that the reason behind their breakup is marriage. Yes, as shocking as it sounds, a close source revealed that Tamanna wanted to settle down and tie the knot with Vijay, but he wasn't ready for marriage yet. This led to frequent arguments between the couple, and unfortunately, those fights have now ended in a breakup. This news has sent shockwaves through the Bollywood industry. Some fans are heartbroken, believing the couple looked great together and hoping they'd have a happy ever after. Meanwhile, others are saying that Vijay didn't deserve Tamanna, as she is far more successful and beautiful than him. But whatever the case, Tamanna and Vijay are no longer together, and they have even deleted all their pictures from their social media handles. Moving on to the next big news. Bollywood's hottest couple Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra just dropped a bombshell. The couple took to social media to announce their pregnancy with a heartfelt post that read, "The greatest gift of our lives coming soon." And people's reactions to this announcement are insane. Within hours, their comment section was flooded with messages like, "That child won the genetic lottery of good looks. My favorite couple is going to become parents. This is going to be the best time of your lives. Many congratulations." Along with fans, many celebrities including Siddharth's ex-girlfriend Alia Bhatt also congratulated the couple. The crazy thing is that one of Kiara's posts from a few weeks ago is now going viral. Netizens said the polka dot theory is real. You see, it all started with Anushka Sharma. She wore a polka dot dress when announcing her pregnancy. Since then, many Bollywood actresses have been seen wearing polka dots just before their big pregnancy reveal. From Alia Bhatt to Kareena Kapoor, Sonam Kapoor and now Kiara Advani, every single one of them has followed this unexpected trend. Now, fans are convinced that if an actress wears a polka dot dress a few years after marriage, there is a high chance that she is pregnant. Real or not, one thing is certain, Bollywood's favorite couple, Sid and Kiara, are expecting, and that's the biggest news of the week.